Every financial advisor will tell you the same thing. Wait until 70 to collect Social Security. You will get more money. But here is what they are not telling you. And for millions of Americans, this changes everything. Waiting until 70 is not always smarter. For many people, claiming early at 62 is actually the correct financial decision. And today, I am going to show you exactly who those people are and why the math works in their favor. I am Smith. This video is for anyone who is approaching retirement or helping a parent plan theirs. By the end, you will understand the full picture, not just the one-size-fits-all advice everyone gives. First, let me explain how Social Security works. You earn Social Security credits throughout your working life. The government calculates your benefit based on your highest 35 years of earnings. That becomes your base benefit, called your primary insurance amount. Here are the 3 ages you need to know. 62 is the earliest you can claim. 67 is full retirement age for anyone born in 1960 or later. And 70 is the maximum age. Waiting past 70 gives you no additional benefit at all. The key trade-off is simple. Claim early and get a smaller check for more months. Wait longer and get a bigger check for fewer months. The question is never which check is bigger. The question is which total amount is bigger over your actual lifetime. So what actually happens to your benefit amount depending on when you claim? Let me walk you through each age one by one. If you claim at 62, the earliest possible age, your monthly benefit is permanently reduced by about 30% compared to your full retirement age benefit. That reduction never goes away. It stays for life. However, and this is the key, you start collecting 5 years earlier than full retirement age. That is 60 months of checks you would not receive if you waited. So the question becomes, does waiting 5 years to get bigger checks actually give you more total money in your lifetime? The answer depends on your break-even age. The break-even age is the age at which waiting would have finally paid off more than claiming early. For most people, claiming at 62 versus 67, the break-even point is around age 78 to 80. This means, if you do not expect to live past 78, claiming at 62 gives you more total lifetime money than waiting. That is not pessimistic. That is math. And for many Americans, especially those with health challenges, 62 is the correct answer. Claiming at 67, full retirement age, gives you 100% of your calculated benefit. No reduction, no bonus, just your full amount. For people born in 1960 or later, this is always 67. 67 is the safe middle ground. You get your full benefit. You did not give up 5 years of checks like you would waiting until 70. For people in average health with moderate savings, this is often the best balanced choice. Waiting until 70 gives you the maximum possible monthly benefit, about 32% more than your full retirement age amount. Every year you delay past 67 adds roughly 8% to your monthly benefit. That is a guaranteed 8% return, which is exceptional. But here is the catch. You give up 3 years of checks between 67 and 70. That is 36 months of payments you never received. To make that back with the higher monthly amount takes roughly 12 more years. So you need to live past 82 to come out ahead by waiting until 70. Waiting until 70 makes sense if you are in excellent health, have other income sources to live on between 67 and 70, and realistically expect to live past 82. That is a specific situation, not everyone's situation. So when is claiming at 62 actually the smarter move? Here are 5 situations where 62 wins. Situation 1. You have serious health issues or a family history of shorter life expectancy. If you realistically do not expect to live past 78, claiming at 62 gives you more total lifetime income. The math is clear on this. Situation 2. You need the income now. If you are not working and have no other income source, Waiting until 67 means 5 years of dipping into savings or going into debt. Claiming at 62 preserves your savings and avoids that hole completely. Situation 3. Your spouse is younger and will outlive you. Claiming early so your spouse can delay their own benefit until 70, maximizing their survivor benefit, can be a powerful household strategy that benefits both of you over the long term. Situation 4. You can invest the early checks. If you can take Social Security at 62 and invest every single check into a diversified portfolio, over 5 years that money compounds. For disciplined investors, this strategy can actually outperform waiting. Situation 5. You have a physically demanding job you simply cannot continue until 67. For millions of blue-collar workers, construction, manufacturing, healthcare, the body has limits. Claiming at 62 is not giving up. It is being realistic about what your body can sustain. Now, when should you wait? Wait until 67 or 70 if you are in excellent health with family history of living past 85. Wait if you are still working and earning good income at 62, because working while claiming early reduces your benefit further. Wait if your benefit is your primary income source in retirement and you need the maximum monthly amount possible. Here's the bottom line. The right Social Security claiming age is personal. There is no universal right answer. The person who tells you to always wait until 70 does not know your health, your finances, your spouse's situation, or your life expectancy. Only you do. Quick recap. 62, 30% less per month, but 5 years of extra checks. The break-even is around 78. 67, full benefit, solid middle ground. 70, maximum monthly, but you need to live past 82 to come out ahead. Your action step. Go to ssa.gov right now and create a free account. You will see your estimated benefit at 62, 67, and 70. Look at those 3 numbers. Then think about your health and your situation. The right answer will become clear. If this video helped you understand Social Security better, hit subscribe right now. Every Tuesday and Thursday, I break down exactly how money works so you can make smarter financial decisions. I will see you in the next one.